Welcome aboard Amazing Grace, a 2003 Symbol 50 Pilothouse motor yacht, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Symbol 50 Pilothouse is a well-regarded luxury cruiser known for its combination of quality craftsmanship, seaworthiness, and comfort. Designed for extended cruising and built for both performance and relaxation, this yacht is favored by those who want a reliable vessel for both short trips and long-range cruising. This yacht boasts a sleek, modern exterior profile with clean lines and a classic motor yacht look. This stabilized yacht is designed to handle a variety of sea conditions, and its modern V-hull shape provides a smooth and stable ride, even in rough waters. This Symbol 50 is built by Symbol Yachts, a Taiwanese manufacturer known for producing high-quality, handcrafted yachts. The 2003 version benefits from robust construction material and a solid reputation for durability. The craftsmanship and attention to detail are apparent in the fit and finish. The Symbol 50 is designed with extended cruising in mind, offering a combination of performance, luxury, and livability. The vessel offers solid balance of speed, stability, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for families, couples, or small groups on longer voyages. The aft features a sizable swim platform that makes accessing the vessel easy from the water or from the dock. Additionally, access to the dinghy docking davits provides quick, easy dinghy deployment and boarding. The spacious cockpit gives excellent ease of movement, beautiful views, and access to the swim platform, both side decks, the salon, and the flybridge. Wide side decks make it easy to move around the yacht, even when underway, with stainless steel handrails providing safety. On the bow, you are greeted with a spacious deck area and walk-around bow that makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. Amazing Grace offers a huge anchor locker that also includes connections for freshwater and seawater washdowns. Ground tackle includes a stainless steel anchor, vertical windlass, and the controls are easily accessed at the bow or can be controlled from the helm, making anchoring safe and easy. Amazing Grace has a large and easy to access flybridge and includes a boat deck with dinghy and a dinghy davit system. The flybridge helm area includes well-fitted covers for the helm and upholstery. From the helm, there is an unobstructed panoramic view and plenty of seating on the beautiful upholstered cushions. When at the helm seat, you have access to the wide range of electronics and controls that Amazing Grace has to offer. This includes ICOM VHF radio, Furuno autopilot and chart plotter, radar, fusion radio, a full range of engine controls and instruments, bow thruster, windlass control, and much more. Once inside, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior, while the sizable saloon is bathed in natural light from the generous windows. The 50-foot length provides ample space for onboard living and entertaining, with a well-designed layout that maximizes both usability and comfort. The spacious salon features an 8-foot L-shaped leather-covered sofa, a custom high-low coffee table to starboard with cabinets to port. To port, the galley is just a couple of steps from the salon and is fully equipped with appliances and has a spacious and beautiful solid surface countertop and a stainless steel sink. The galley is equipped with a large stand-up refrigerator freezer, a below-the-counter refrigerator freezer, stove with oven, microwave oven, and ice maker. The engine room can be accessed through either the aft deck lazarette or the galley floor, and it is easy and safe to go below. Amazing Grace has a superb engine room with easy access to the twin Caterpillar 3126 TA engines. The engines and the boat's mechanical equipment have been well maintained and are in excellent condition. The generator is a Northern Lights 16 kilowatt generator. The Pilot House is one of the standout features, offering excellent visibility, especially during long passages or when navigating in tight quarters. The raised Pilot House features a full helm station with modern electronics. The Pilot House also has a settee and dining table for casual meals or social gatherings. The Pilot House helm is equipped with Furuno chart plotters, radar, engine controls, roll stabilizer control, and bow thruster control. Video monitoring of the engine room is also viewable from the helm. Power distribution and breaker panels are easily accessed in the Pilot House. Accommodations are reached by a stairwell starboard in the Pilot House. The beautiful full-beam master stateroom is located aft. This stateroom features a large queen berth located centerline. There are hanging lockers and drawers offering a significant amount of well-organized storage. This beautiful and spacious cabin enables you to savor moments of privacy and rest and is a perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. The private master stateroom head includes an electric toilet, solid surface countertop with sink, and features a fiberglass walk-in shower with seating. Heading aft through the passageway, there is a cozy guest stateroom, to port, featuring twin bunk beds. The forward guest VIP stateroom is located all the way forward with a centerline queen berth. There is abundant storage in the stateroom, including multiple hanging lockers. The guest head includes electric toilet, solid surface countertop, and a walk-in shower. With excellent build quality and craftsmanship, along with great performance thanks to the powerful twin diesel engines, the 2003 Symbol 50 Pilothouse motor yacht offers an appealing combination of performance, comfort, and craftsmanship for those looking for a reliable cruiser. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, Amazing Grace strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort and can take you anywhere you dream of going. To book your appointment to view this 2003 Symbol 50 Pilothouse, contact Lil Yacht Sales.